Up we have G Job. So let's listen to this. I remember that on TV. That I remembered it's a champion when I was holding a microphone last time. So I'm gonna put this at the S tier. So next up we have Anglo. Let's listen to this. Goated. I'm gonna go put this at the S tier. So next up we have Bazinga. So let's listen to this. Let's listen to this. I mean, I remember that on TV said it was the second place and it was goated. So I'm gonna put this at the A tier. So next up we have Yostrich. So let's listen to this. So Yostrich is okay. So I'm gonna I'm gonna put this at the B tier. So next up we have Cherable. So let's listen to this. It sounds much calmer. So I'm gonna put this at the S tier. So next up we have Yehehe. So let's listen to this. It's good in my opinion, so I'm gonna put this at the A tier. And last but not least, we have Strombonin. So let's listen to this. That was too louder, monster. So I'm gonna put this at the letter S. I mean the S tier. Okay, so let's download the file. Download image. Download image. Download now. Yes, file downloaded. And here's our tier list. by the way. Wow. Tier list looks so good. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment in our videos, and share our videos. So see you guys in our next video, and bye.